YouTube peoples, what it do? I have not done a hair video in forever, so I decided for today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to take out my 2-strand twist. I've had these in for a couple of weeks now, and I'm about to show y'all 2 different ways how I remove them. Stay tuned, follow along, enjoy.
Hey yo, Rand, turn that up.
All you will need is 2 things. 1, hair tie. You don't need that many. You can use 1 or multiple, completely up to you. And secondly, you need some type of spray. I'm gonna be using Jamaican black castor oil spray today. I have multiple sprays that I use. I don't want you to feel like this is the only one. This is not standard, just letting you know. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all once again 2 different ways. I'm gonna tie my hair in half, that way you can see obviously both the ways. On this side, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it with the spray. On this side, I'm gonna show y'all how I do it without the spray. It's literally just not spraying the head. It comes out 2 different ways, so for this sake, gonna give a big little mist. It smells really good, by the way. Ooh! Don't wanna soak it too much. Now that it came through, you can see what we're working with. You can see it. Start right in the front, because the front is the easiest. First of all, length check. Stop playing with me. And it just falls down. It should be this easy to come out. Literally this easy. As you can see, we finished this side. It's about as frizzy can be. It is not that crazy defined. I'm not really messing with it. You can see the back and stuff. I probably missed a few twists, but point being is, this is like really frizzy, and this is really why I don't take my hair out to do my twist out like this, because I don't know. I think if I put some curl cream or something, we can make it work into something, but we're gonna tie this up for now, because boy, I don't know what you were thinking, boy. As for this side right here, this is how I really take my twist out. I actually be using 2 different oils to use in my hair while I'm taking my twist out. The wild growth is what I always use, like for my scalp and stuff, but the main nutrients oil is what I use just to do this right here. Let's squeeze some out right here, and then I just rub it onto the twist. No water at all, strictly just the oils. The only reason I'm not putting the wild growth in right now is because my hair honestly has like some buildup and I really need to wash it, but I wanted to show y'all how to do this. So I'm just gonna wash my hair after the fact. Will that be today? No guarantees. Actually, I'm lying because I'm not. So after the oil goes in, now for real, I just slip it straight through. Then it turns into these crinkly, super crinkly fries, and they're way longer than the other ones. Ironically, it's actually a lot easier for me to take them out without the water, which you would think the water would make it easier, but this goes to show you how fast that it actually is to do this, because, hey bro, it don't take long. Now I won't say rush if you know that you got like super nappy hair or whatever you want to call it, because you don't want to break no hairs. Preserve your hairs as best as you can. Now obviously it's going to look different. Don't expect yours to look exactly like mine. Maybe the other step might help you more than this one will. You just got to do trial and error and see which one you prefer. This thing just got stuck in the middle of me talking. Prime example of don't rush, because now look, it got caught up right around here. Actually, how do I get this out for real? Now, like, all jokes aside, this ain't even for the video. How do I? Oh, cue the music. I just want to apologize to y'all for all the times I said I wouldn't make no hair videos, because I know y'all really need the help, so I'm sorry for that. I know I've been lacking, but if you still want to keep up with my vlogs and stuff, subscribe to my other channel, Jay Sean Amaker, not a maker. I'm about to be super active on that channel. Y'all just gonna get a bunch of hair stuff on this channel for the most part. But yeah, if you want to keep up with my vlogs, it's just gonna be a lot of raw, uncut stuff. Thrifting, working out, clothes, shoes, everything that you want is gonna be on that channel. But please sub. We're almost to 100 subscribers already in less than a month. Honestly, thank y'all for whoever's watching this. Thank you if you're one of them. But yeah, 9 times out of 10, I'm always missing one extra twist, and I don't even be knowing it. Ain't no big deal. My hair don't lock up that fast, but I always find it in like less than a week because I'm always, see, I'm always digging through my hair, so. But as you can see, this side is way more defined than that other side was. You can see all the crinkles. A lot of people don't like the crinkles, and honestly, they look even more different the shorter my hair was. But I don't know. I know how to fluff them out and make them look pretty good. It's not fluffed out right now, but I know how to make it more fluffed out. Obviously, you can see some of the crinkle curls are smaller. Some of them are like way longer, like this one that you see right here. The pattern is different, but is what it is. But you can see this side is completely different from this side. This side is way frizzier, heavier. It's just not as defined. This is why I mostly do mine like this. Side view on this side right here, back end, and on the front end. Give it a little shake, see if it blends. One side probably looks a tad bit more full than the other one. This one is a bit more down, but you get it. There's clearly a difference. But yeah, this is pretty much right here how I always do my 2-strand twist. I did want to give this option for anybody else who needs more moisture, or like I said, this side probably is better for when you have a different curl pattern or anything like that. Either way it goes, try to embrace the twist outs a whole lot more often. Like, you don't always got to get a retwist for your 2 strands every single time right after you finish it. Do a twist out. Rock this and then do a fro, you don't gotta 2-strand it every day, every night. Comment the next video you guys want. I got a lot more hair videos that I wanna help you guys out. A lot of just hair growth things. Please drop a sub. It would be greatly appreciated, and I will see y'all soon. Later.
Hey, yo, Rand.